Hi friends, welcome to new series Object Oriented Programming by using Java. This is for second year EC students and for third semester. In this we are going to see about OOPS concepts. So first topic is introduction to OOPS, and this is what your syllabus for the unit 1. So it consists of concepts of OOPS and features of Java, bytecode and virtual machine and JDK. And for this video we are going to see about procedural and object oriented language difference. So see this. Can you guess? Can you see what are the things are there available in this particular slide, which you may know or may not? So what are things you know? Please just see it. Maybe Java or HTML or C, C++. These are the words you may know. So these are the programming languages. So we can broadly divide the programming languages into two things. One is procedural and another one is object oriented. So these are the types of both the programming languages. So procedure is nothing but ideally is used for small programs, which is straightforward, used for straightforward logic. And for complex programs, object oriented is very suitable, and it is also scalable in real world modelings. So next we are going to see about what is the difference between both the two. So here we have options. First is definition, another one is approaches. So first definition is nothing but procedure is basically based on procedure, and for object oriented is based on objects and classes, and for procedural it is top down, and object oriented it is a bottom up approach. Focuses on logic and functions for procedural programming, and here it is data and objects. And then for data hiding, data is global and can be accessed by any function for procedural. Next it is encapsulated, and for code reusability it is limited, we can access only through the function calls. And for whereas in object oriented programming it is high and achieved through inheritance and polymorphism concepts. And examples already we saw in the previous slide. And security, for procedural programming it is less secured, and for object oriented it is more secured. And scalability, it is harder to manage for large codes, and for object oriented it is easier to manage and it is very scalable due to its modularity. And for real world mapping it is difficult, and for object oriented it is easy because we are using the object as an entity. And for main elements, here it is procedure, functions and modules, and for object oriented it is classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation and polymorphisms. And for definition for object oriented programming, it is nothing but programming or paradigms. Paradigm is nothing but a structure, programming concepts or structures. It is used to design or develop a program, and it is mainly concept of objects, and it contains both data and methods. Data and methods is mainly used for defining the data, and for methods is used as in subprograms. And for helping and creating modularity and reusability, object oriented helps in creating modulars, and it is used for reusability, and maintaining the code is very easy, and it is very easy to manage and extend as in software systems. And we have concepts of basics of OOPS. It is nothing but objects, classes, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphisms. So in this video we saw about introduction for this series, and we saw what is procedural and object oriented programming and difference between both, and what are the concepts of OOPS are listed here. Thank you. We will see these concepts in next video in detail for all the 6 concepts. Thank you.